Hi everyone, we're back again with our McDonald's. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Hopefully you watched the first video without the remainders. Now this one is with the remainders. So if you remember in the first video, what does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers mean? It means divide, multiply, subtract, check, and bring down. All right. Here is our remainders. Remainders just means what is left over. So we're going to start with looking at our 6. How many 5s will it take to make up 6 or almost 6? So that's how we're going to divide it. And if I count by 5s on my hand, I go 5, 10. 10 is too big, but 5 would work. So how many fingers up when I count by 5s? 5. 1 finger. So I'm going to put how many fingers right up here. Now I'm going to multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. Next I'm going to subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. Next up, I'm going to check. 1 is less than 5. If that is true, I'm going to move on. And it is. 1 is less than 5. So now I'm going to bring down my 3. 13 is your new number. That's the only thing we're looking at is 13. How many 5s will it take to make up 13 or almost 13? Remember, you want to get as close as you can without going over. So I'm going to use my fingers again. 5, 10, 15. 15 is too many, so 5, 10. 10 would be good. So how many fingers do I have in the air? I'm going to put that number right here. I have 2. That was my divide. Next, I'm going to multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. Next, I'm going to subtract. 13 minus 10 is 3. Next, I'm going to check. 3 is less than 5. Is that true? If that is true, we're going to move on. If your answer was not true, you would have to erase this right here and the 2 and try a different number. Next is, we checked. Next would be the bring down burgers. Bring it down. 7. So now you have 37. Divide it by 5. Remember, you're going to start all over again. 37 divided by 5. So how many 5s will it take to make 37 or almost 37? I'm going to count on my fingers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, getting close, 35, 40. 40 is too much, so I'm going to say 35 is the right number. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. How many fingers do you have in the air? 7. So that was your divide. Now multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. Now you're going to subtract. 37 minus 35 equals 2. Next, we're going to check. 2 is less than 5. Is that correct? If it is correct, you can move on to bring down. Oh, there is no more to bring down. So, what you're going to have to do with your 2, you can't just pretend like there's nothing left. You have to put it as a remainder. So you need remainder 2. It's what I have left over. 127 will fit into the 5 groups, and you'll have the 2 left over. So your answer is 127 with a remainder of 2. All right, let's try another one. All right. Again, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Let's do all the steps. 234 divided by 7. 2. Let me look at the 2. How many 7s will it take to make 2 or almost 2? 7, 4. Oh my goodness, 7. I'm already past it. So how many? I can't go over. So it has to be 0. I can't go over. And 7 is the first number. So I have to put a 0 here. 0 times 7 is 0. So next what I have to do is to subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Check. 2 is less than 7, so I'm okay. Next I have to bring down. 24. 24 divided by 7. So I'm going to think, how many 7s will it take to make up 24 or almost 24? I'm going to sing my 7 song and hold up my fingers. 7, 14, 21. 21. I think 21 will work. So how many fingers do you have in the air? You have 3. That was my divide. Next is my McDonald's multiply. 3 times 7 is 21. Next, we're going to have to subtract. 24 minus 21 is 3. Next, what we're going to have to do is check. 3 is less than 7. Is that right? 3 is less than 7. Yep. Next, we're going to bring down. And you have 33. 33 to, now we're going to start all over again with the divide. 33 divided by 7. How many 7s will it take to make up 33 or almost 33? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Oop, 35 is too many. So I'm going to say 28. You could sing your 7 song and put them on your fingers. How many fingers do you have up? 7, 14, 21. 7, 14, 21. 28. You have 4 fingers up. So next we're going to multiply. 4 times 7 is 28. Now we have to subtract. 33 minus 28 is 5. Next, we're going to have to check. 5 is less than 7. Does it work? Yep, it sure does. Next, we're going to bring down, but there is nothing else left. So, do we have a leftover or a remainder? We sure do. It is 5. So it's remainder 5. So your answer is 34 remainder 5. You don't need that 0 when you write your answer. So 34 remainder 5 is your answer. Hope this helped. See you in class. Bye, everyone.